In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Asana desktop app. If you're looking to streamline your productivity or just prefer having your project management tools readily accessible on your desktop, downloading the Asana app is a great choice. Let's walk through the process together and I'll share some tips along the way to make it as straightforward as possible. First, start by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser that you normally use for browsing the internet. Once your browser is open, navigate to the official Asana website. You can do this by typing Asana in your search engine and clicking on the official website link. This will ensure that you're accessing the latest version of the app directly from Asana's developers. Once you're on the Asana homepage, look for the download options. You'll usually find a section or a link that says download the Asana app for Windows, Mac, iPhone, or iPad. Click on the relevant link. Whether you're using a Windows computer or a Mac, make sure to choose the correct version that's compatible with your operating system. This will ensure a smooth installation process. After clicking the link, proceed by clicking on Download Now. This button will initiate the download process. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a short while. Keep an eye on your downloads bar at the bottom of your browser window or in your downloads folder to see when the download is complete. Once the download completes, you'll need to install the app. Open the file you just downloaded and follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your computer. These instructions will guide you through the setup, selecting installation preferences, and finally launching the Asana desktop app. Alternatively, if you'd like to use Asana as a Chrome extension, you can start by opening the app's icon on your browser and click on the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Asana extension. Once you find it, click on Add to Chrome. This will begin installing the extension directly to your browser. After installation, it's a good idea to pin the extension to your browser toolbar for easy access. To do this, simply click on the extensions icon next to your address bar and select the Asana extension to pin it. Additionally, you have the option to create a shortcut on your desktop for the Asana app. This can make accessing the app even more convenient, saving you time and helping you dive straight into managing your tasks and projects with ease. And there you have it, you've successfully downloaded and set up the Asana desktop app. Having Asana right at your fingertips will help keep your tasks organized and enhance your workflow efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.